Hi, this is just a short little tutorial on how you can load images or other files inside of a game made with the Godot Game Engine. So what we're gonna do is we can create a new scene here, and I'll just call it test scene, and add a file dialog node to it. Now in the file dialog we want to specify for one that we want to open a file. And by default, the resources section only has access to the actual game file, so it's only going to show what we have done here. So in our case, I'm going to go for the entire file system. That means we see everything. Also, this is going to be a bit small. Let's make it larger so we can see something. Attach a script. And say, make it visible right at the start. $file dialog.pop up. There we go. And with this we have our file dialog done. The scene needs to be saved, of course. And yeah, we have the file dialog. It has access to everything. I can go to C. I can see my files here. I can technically select an image file, but it's not going to do anything yet. For that, let's add an image. Let's add a sprite. Now this sprite doesn't have a texture yet. We want to be able to add one. So we can do that from here. We need to get the actual path this returns. This is on file selected here in node signals. And that gives us a function to catch this event. Now, let's make a new image. Load in the path that was provided up here. And yeah, we actually have to convert this image file into a texture because, as we see here, the sprite wants a texture, not an image. So we can just do image texture.new and create the texture from the image. Just take image and no flags. And then we can set the sprite.texture to be equal to our texture. And if everything worked right, this should already be done. Yeah, I mean this one, of course. Let's go to C. Let's see Necromancer. There we go. And there, the image is already loaded in Godot and everything works. Of course, you don't have to go with this exact project setup here. You can change it a little. But generally, this should be fine. That will be all for today. Bye.